Mars, the mysterious red planet that's been fascinating humans for centuries. But here's the thing, you don't know Mars as well as you think. What if I told you Mars has blue sunsets, taller mountains than Earth, and might even be geologically alive right now? Yep, there's a lot more to Mars than meets the eye. Stick around because in the next few minutes, we're diving into 10 insane facts about Mars that will change the way you think about the red planet forever. Trust me, you don't want to miss number 10. It could be Mars's most shocking secret yet. 10 crazy facts about Mars. Mars is home to Olympus Mons, the tallest volcano and mountain in the entire solar system. It stands at a whopping 13.6 miles, 22 kilometers high. That's about 2.5 times the height of Mount Everest. Not only is it gigantic in height, but it covers an area the size of Arizona. Imagine hiking that. It's hard to believe, but Mars was once covered in rivers, lakes, and even oceans. Scientists have found evidence of ancient river valleys and lake beds, indicating that billions of years ago, Mars had liquid water on its surface. Today, water still exists, but mostly in the form of ice, hidden beneath the Martian surface. Could there have been life in those ancient waters? Mars has 2 moons, Phobos and Deimos, but they're not like our moon at all. They're small, irregularly shaped, and look more like asteroids. Here's the crazy part. Phobos is slowly spiraling towards Mars, and scientists predict that in about 50 million years, it could either crash into Mars or be torn apart into a ring around the planet. Talk about cosmic drama! Earth isn't the only planet with spectacular sunsets. On Mars, the sunset appears blue. Because of the way the dust particles in Mars's atmosphere scatter sunlight, the sky during sunset shifts from a red-pink color during the day to a soft blue. It's an eerie, surreal sight, and something future astronauts will witness firsthand. Mars has a tilt on its axis, just like Earth, which gives it 4 seasons: spring, summer, fall, and winter. But because Mars takes nearly twice as long to orbit the Sun, each season lasts about twice as long as it does on Earth. Winter can last over 6 months in some parts of Mars. Ugh, time to bundle up. Mars is famous for its dust storms, but did you know that some of these storms can cover the entire planet? The dust storms can last for weeks or even months and reach speeds of up to 60 miles per hour or 97 kilometers per hour. This global dust veil can make the planet appear fuzzy from space and block out sunlight, plunging parts of Mars into darkness. We might be looking at humanity's next home. Mars is at the top of the list for future colonization. SpaceX, NASA, and other space agencies are working on missions to send humans to Mars within the next few decades. With its similarities to Earth, such as a day just 40 minutes longer than ours, and ice available for water, Mars might just be the key to our survival in the future. Think the Grand Canyon is big? Mars's Valles Marineris dwarfs it. This canyon system is about 2,500 miles, 4,000 kilometers long, and up to 7 miles, 11 kilometers deep in places. It's about 10 times longer and 5 times deeper than the Grand Canyon. Scientists think it may have been formed by tectonic forces and erosion billions of years ago. Ever dreamed of being able to jump 3 times higher? Well, on Mars, that's possible. Mars has only 38% of the gravity we experience on Earth, which means you would feel much lighter and could leap much higher. However, that also means building structures to handle lower gravity will be a challenge for future Martian colonies. And for the final mind-blowing fact, Mars might still be geologically active. Recent data from NASA's InSight lander detected Marsquakes, suggesting that the planet's interior might still be shifting. These quakes aren't as powerful as earthquakes, but they tell us that Mars isn't quite the dead, cold planet we once thought. Could volcanic activity come back one day? And there you have it. 10 crazy facts about Mars that you probably didn't know. Which one surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more out-of-this-world content. Thanks for watching, and see you next time on the journey to the stars.